Okay, I'm going to be explaining how I resize my Bitmoji here. So first I created a function called draw Bitmoji, and this function has three parameters. These parameters are x, y, and h. So the x parameter is going to be changing just like basically the x value of all these shapes and lines. The y value is the same thing, but with the y values, and the h, we're going to call it like the size parameter. So it's just going to be changing these ratios that we're multiplying these hard-coded numbers by to basically change the size of all of these shapes together proportionally with each other. So it still keeps the same shape. So all of this code is in this function right here. That's basically what a function is. The function is just saying, okay, take out this code and run it when I tell you to. And I told it to right here. This is called calling my code, or calling my function. So all I really do is just write the fun name of the function, which is draw Bitmoji. And instead of writing like x, y, h, I actually write the values of these parameters. So I want the x, so I'm taking out this code, and I want the x value to be 58, y value to be 30, and the h value to be 74. So when I actually call this, I'll call another one. So drop Bitmoji, let's do 100, 100, 100. So it's actually going to draw another one, and you could obviously see it's more to the right, it's more downwards, and also it's bigger. So the biggest thing to explain, because I already explained like the x and y values in the last video, but in this one, the h value is the one that's pretty much the most different. So when I'll use 74 as the example, not 100. So when I put 74 into the h parameter, what this means is I'm multiplying like these values right here, like this 800, 180, 190, 285. These are all hard-coded numbers, and we're multiplying it all by a ratio. So this ratio, I could just pick any number. I could have picked 200, 100, but I just picked 100. And the number that I choose in this parameter is going to change the size of the ratio. So this hard-coded number, or so this y value, is actually going to change proportionally to the size variable divided by 1,000 or 100, which in this case, this will be basically just how big or small the Bitmoji will be. And that's pretty much it. Not much else to explain. Okay.